This drone is thinner than your phone and still shoots 8K? Let's see if this tiny flying camera is actually worth it. Hey guys, welcome back to Caring Guy. Today, we're checking out the new Mini Thin Drone, a super compact GPS drone with Smart Follow, Return to Home, and night vision camera.
First thing, this drone is crazy thin. We're talking about just 25mm thickness and only around 140 grams. It even features a ducted fan design, meaning the propellers are fully enclosed, making it safer to use around people, more durable against crashes, and great for indoor flying. You can control it using your smartphone via Wi-Fi or a dedicated remote. It's so compact, you can literally carry it in your pocket, perfect for travel and quick shots. Now let's talk smart features. GPS positioning plus optical flow for stable hovering. Smart Follow mode, the drone follows you automatically. Return to home, comes back with one click. Waypoint flight for automated paths. These are features you usually see in more expensive drones.
It claims 8K video, but realistically, you're getting around 4K level performance for photos and decent HD video. You also get night vision support, multiple shooting modes, wide-angle aerial shots. Good for social media, but not professional filming. This drone uses a brushless motor, giving smooth flight, better durability, lower noise. Flight time is around 15 to 23 minutes, depending on usage, and it can handle winds up to 20 to 30 kilometers per hour, which is impressive for its size. Here's where it gets interesting. Palm takeoff and landing, throw to launch feature, LED lights for night flying, indoor plus outdoor flexibility. It's built for fun and convenience.
So, is the Mini Thin Drone worth it? Ultra portable and lightweight, packed with smart features, safe ducted design, beginner friendly. But 8K is mostly marketing, not for professional level footage. Limited long-range performance. Still, for casual users, travelers, and beginners, this is a really fun and smart gadget. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. This is Caring Guy, bringing you smart tech made simple. See you in the next one.